Here's what makes Cornucopia different. It's all about the yarn construction. Cotton is the oldest natural fiber in the world. The percale sheets are made with certified organic cotton and use a 90 by 110 square weave. It's the perfect construction for washability, wearability, and durability. The sateen sheets are made with Supima, a rare, premium natural cotton fiber grown in the USA. Its fineness and longer staple length keep the sheets smooth and comfortable wash after wash. Most cotton has a fiber length of only about 1 inch. Supima averages 1.5 inches. Cornucopia just swooped in and solved it. Boom.